video because the first time couldn't upload the video onto my, I don't know why, like the file corrupted basically. Second try, audio was kind of bad. Hopefully the audio is better on this one. So it's our third time, and honestly that doesn't even matter to y'all. I don't even know what I'm telling y'all. But basically what I'm gonna show y'all is, first I'm gonna explain to y'all what order blocks are. As you can tell in the title of the video, what are order blocks. So I already have this written down. So basically, order blocks, it's basically a price range where large orders were able to be filled and cause the market to change direction. So what I mean by that is, look, alright. Alright, so this is simplest way to spot an order block. Let me give y'all the better example, because it is a good example, but I'm gonna show y'all a clear example so y'all understand how to spot these in the market, right? I'm gonna show you how to spot these first. So right here we have an order block, right? I don't mind that drawing up there. This blue box right here is our order block, and y'all are probably like, well, what does that mean? Alright, well basically, let me delete this for y'all. So basically, in order to spot an order block, we need to look for, this is gonna be a bullish order block, right? So in order to spot a bullish order block, we basically need to look for, so right here we see this is move down, right? We need a move down that breaks lows, right? We need a move down that breaks lows, like right here. This move down broke these lows. Right after that move down, we need to see the change in direction in the market. So what is a change in direction in the market? Well, simple. If the market's going down and right after it goes up, that's a change in the market. So break of structure basically. So we see that these lows were able to get broken past, and what happens right after those lows are broken? Boom, a move up. And what is this move up is a break of structure, because why? It breaks these highs, breaks these highs, all these highs. It broke all of these highs over here, our past highs, especially these highs over here too. So right, this move down is where we're gonna put our order block. The move down, remember, it's the move down before the move up. That's our order block, is the move down before the move up. Oops, let me make that. Alright, we need it to here. So for bullish order block, where we put the order block is, it's the move down that caused the lows to be broken, not the move up. Don't get it confused, because I know some people have gotten confused. It's not the move up, it's the move down before the move up. So the reason we see this move up is because we see that lots of large orders were able to be filled, by orders, which caused market to go up. So if price decides to revisit this area, then what is price gonna do again? Or what is gonna happen? Large orders, we can predict that large orders are gonna be able to be filled again if price revisits that area. And what happens when price revisited this area? Boom, market goes up. Just like over here, large orders, market goes up. Price revisits this area. What happens right after that? A move up. Simple as that. That's all it is. It's the move down before the move up. Now, that's for a bullish. Now let's give you a bearish order block. Let's go to the 1 hour, because I have a good example on the 1 hour here. Where is it though? Over here. Alright, bet. Now this example is a big example, right? So remember, what do we need to see for it to be an order block? For a bearish order block, we need to see highs be broken instead of lows. So look, right here, this move up, what did that move up do? Cause these highs to be broken, right? Price moved up. What happened right after the move up? Boom, price market, market changed direction. Like we said, market changed direction. Boom, lots of orders were able to be filled, right? So now for this one, we just need to mark the move up, right? From the bottom of the move up, right? So boom. Alright, we got that move up. Now, price, boom, breaks out of here, closes up here, but it goes, basically causes break a structure right here. Price goes down. What does price do? Revisits that area, kind of stutters, but what does price do? Go down. Alright, we're not always gonna see major movements in the market, so that's why I pair these up with fair value gaps, equilibrium. I mean, any other confluences that are gonna support the order block. And I'm gonna show you all these in other videos, so don't worry. Don't just focus on the order block for now. I don't know why I'm telling y'all that. Just focus on the order block right now. So remember, for a bearish order block, we need to see highs broken. Right after the highs are broken, we need to see a change in direction, just like this, right? If price revisits that area, we're going to assume large orders are going to be able to be filled, which causes the market to go down. Simple as that, bro. I don't know how more simple this could be. Don't just take trades purely off order blocks. I mean, you can, but honestly, I wouldn't. It's a lot more thought that comes into these order blocks, or a lot more strategy, basically. And I can actually explain to y'all my strategy. And after I'm done with all these videos of how to spot these things, I'll show you how to put them together and use it in a strategy, basically. So what I want y'all to do is just look for these order blocks in the market. I'm using gold right now. You can spot these on any forex market or even any stock, basically. But I use these on the forex market, so I use them on Euro USD, just pairs, basically, forex pairs. And I mean, they're pretty easy to spot. It's just, these highs were broken. What happens after the highs are broken? Boom, market changes direction, which means large orders were able to be filled in this price, right? We have an order block. Price revisits that area. What happens right after revisits? Boom, back down. Simple as that. Simple as that. If y'all have any questions, I'll link my Discord in the bio, and y'all can message me, and I'll show y'all how to spot these. If y'all need a little more help or a little more context or any questions at all, just for free, I'll just message me on Discord. Instagram too, I'll respond there too. Actually, maybe not. Message me on Discord. Yeah, I'll respond on Discord. But if you have any more questions or want to make sure that you're spotting order blocks and not the wrong things, then just hit me up, and I'll confirm or help you. I'll explain a little more, especially for y'all newer traders that have no idea like what this means, But for a little more experienced traders, if you're still having troubles with this, anyone basically, if you're having trouble with this, just hit me up. And yeah, that's it for day one. My first video. Got through my first video, bro. Y'all finna look back at this in the future, like when I'm gonna look back at this and just be like, wow, I've probably changed a lot, But forget that. What am I yapping about? This is how to spot order blocks. Why am I yapping about this shit? Alright, well, I'll see y'all in the next video, bro.